Hey, hello all. So today we are going to see how to install Ola Hallengren Scripts in SQL Server. So usually if you want to back up a database, index optimization, and um, for everything in integrity check we used to create a jobs each every job manually. So Hologram provide a solution to take a backup integrity and optimization in a robust script jobs um, to take a backup integrity check and optimization. So to install this, you just go to Hologram page. There you can download the file. This file have all three features. So I just downloaded and moved to my local VM. Let me show it. Okay, so before deploying the script, usually it will create a few tables, stored procedures. So you can you can you can deploy those scripts. I mean tables and stored procedure in your customized database. For now, I'm going to create a database called DBA. So let me use the same database name here, DBA. Okay. So what it will do is it will it will create few tables as well as like stored procedures. Then it will create few jobs for backup, integrity check, and index optimization. So it is created. If you want, you can change the context and execute it. Okay, so scripts are executed. Let me refresh and check how many tables are created. So it create one table. Any store procedure. So it creates store procedure for backup, integrity check, and optimization. So let's check how many jobs are created. Okay, it created few jobs for backup, um, full differential for user database full differential as well as log for system database full backup, integrity check for two different jobs, one for system, one for user database, and index optimization for user database. Other than that, there are few other jobs created, output cleanup and other stuff. So so let me check full backup. Okay, so what it will do is it will take few parameters, user backups, and what is the backup type full, and checksum is enabled, whether this operation has to be logged in table or not. Let me run. So let me start full backup. So full backup completed. So where it will be stored. So it will be stored in I mean backed up in a default location where we have given. So let me show you the other thing. So why this table is created is whatever the activity which we performed using Ola Hallengren script, so it will be captured here. So through this we can identify how much time taken for each activity. So this is use of Ola Hallengren script. Let me capture you in another video. Thank you.